Hello, welcome back to the Ketos YouTube channel. So, you've set up Windows Hello for Business, fingerprint, PIN, or facial recognition. No more passwords, right? But then you hear people talking about YubiKeys and FIDO2 security keys. Now you're wondering, do you need a YubiKey to be fully passwordless, or is Windows Hello enough? The answer depends on what you mean by fully passwordless. Let's break it down. First, let's define passwordless. When we say you're passwordless, it means you're not typing a password every day to log in. But does that mean your account has no passwords at all? Not necessarily. Windows Hello for Business replaces your password with cryptographic authentication. It's fast, secure, and built into Windows. But here's the catch. It's tied to your device. If you lose your laptop or it breaks, how do you log in somewhere else? It's not portable. You can't take it to another computer and sign in. That's where a YubiKey or another FIDO2 security key comes in. Let's say your laptop stops working or you need to sign in on a new machine. Without a YubiKey, you have to fall back to your password, which means that you have to be removed from the passwordless conditional access policy. And remember, hackers use the weakest link, not the authentication method that you use the most. A YubiKey or another FIDO2 key helps you sign in securely on any device and stay fully passwordless, even when your main computer is unavailable. So can you be passwordless without a hardware key? Not really. If you're serious about security, the best setup is 1. Windows Hello for Business for daily sign-ins. 2. YubiKey or security key for backup access. Want to see how to set this up? Check out our guide on how to deploy passwordless authentication in your organization in less than 30 minutes. Stay secure and go fully passwordless.